Hi there. During the last few days, northerly winds have brought unusually cold air to the UK from the Arctic. Now that chill is still present across the country as we begin the day in the south. Temperatures close to freezing, but plenty of bright skies. Meanwhile, the tap has been turned off with that northerly wind turning to southwesterlies across the northern half of the country, and as a result, cloudier skies are expected through the rest of the day for much of Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern and central England, parts of Wales. And there'll be some damp weather around, particularly over higher parts of central and western Scotland, but also some brightness coming through. Northeast Scotland, for example, seeing some decent holes in the cloud, and with that southwesterly wind replacing the northerly, a marked difference with the temperatures in the north. 18 or 19 Celsius possible around Murray, Aberdeenshire, for example, Edinburgh. But further south, we'll also see temperatures of 17 or 18 Celsius, this time with lighter winds and with plenty of sunny spells through the afternoon, but there will be some additional cloud coming along. Now, increasingly damp weather is expected across western Scotland and Northern Ireland into the evening. As a weather front moves its way southeastwards, it's going to slow down through the night, and the rain will be rather persistent at times across central and southern Scotland and then into northern England later, as well as North Wales. But it does clear eventually much of Scotland and Northern Ireland, clear spells and showers following here. And we'll keep the light winds and that relatively cool air in place across southern parts of the country. So still a fresh start to Sunday, although little by little these nights are becoming less cold. So typically 8 to 11 Celsius first thing in the south, double figures further north, and milder certainly where we've got the cloud and outbreaks of drizzly rain for northern England, the far south of Scotland, North Wales first thing Sunday. Now either side of this front, it effectively slows down and comes to a stop across central parts of the UK. We've got some hazy sunshine in the south and southeast. We've also got some sunny spells for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but the air is unstable here. We'll see heavy showers moving through and gusty winds, and certainly a cluster of heavier downpours around the middle part of the day. That will make it all feel rather cool once again in the far north and northwest, but further south, a milder day to come, except where it's drizzling and raining across northern England and North Wales. Temperatures of 18 or 19 Celsius in places. Then, big changes heading into next week. Higher pressure, which hasn't stuck around for any decent period of time for some time, will set up home just to the east of the UK and remain there throughout next week. That means we're going to see drier and sunnier weather arrive from the near continent on this easterly breeze, and it's going to turn warmer as well as a result of that. That higher pressure over Scandinavia keeping Atlantic weather systems at bay and leading to a relatively prolonged spell of settled weather. We'll keep you updated on all of that right here on our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.